Hello and welcome to our review of the Sony a6000 camera. In this video, we'll be taking a thorough look at this popular mirrorless camera, discussing its features, performance, and image quality. First, let's talk about the design of the a6000. It has a compact and lightweight body, making it easy to carry around with you wherever you go. It also has a large 3-inch LCD screen on the back, which is great for previewing and reviewing your shots. It has a 24-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which is capable of capturing high-resolution images with excellent detail and dynamic range. It also has a fast autofocus system, with 179 phase detection points, which makes it easy to quickly lock onto your subjects. In terms of image quality, the a6000 performs exceptionally well. It produces sharp and detailed images, with rich colors and good low-light performance. It also has a wide ISO range, from 100 to 25,600, which allows you to shoot in a variety of lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the a6000 is its video capabilities. It can record full HD 1080p video at 60 frames per second, making it great for capturing fast-moving subjects. It also has a built-in stereo microphone, which is great for recording high-quality audio. Overall, the Sony a6000 is a fantastic camera for photographers and videographers of all levels. It has a solid build, excellent image quality, and fast performance. If you're in the market for a mirrorless camera, the a6000 is definitely worth considering. The a6000 has a number of creative shooting modes, including panorama, time-lapse, and high dynamic range, HDR. These modes allow you to capture a range of different effects and styles, giving you more creative freedom with your shots. The a6000 has a built-in electronic viewfinder, EVF, which allows you to compose your shots through the viewfinder, rather than the LCD screen. This can be helpful in bright sunlight, or when you want a more traditional shooting experience. The a6000 has a number of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and NFC. This allows you to easily transfer your images and videos to your smartphone or tablet, or share them online. The a6000 is compatible with a range of Sony E-mount lenses, giving you a wide range of focal lengths and aperture options to choose from. You can also use adapters to mount other types of lenses, giving you even more flexibility. The a6000 has a durable build, with a solid magnesium alloy body. This makes it resistant to wear and tear, and able to withstand the rigors of everyday use. Overall, the Sony a6000 is a highly capable camera, with a range of features and options that make it suitable for photographers of all levels. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use camera, or an experienced photographer looking for a compact and versatile mirrorless camera, the a6000 is a great choice. Thank you for watching our review of the Sony a6000. We hope you found it helpful in your search for the perfect camera. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.